Now, after we are done with these definitions, the next topic which comes is PPC. PPC is also known as transformation curve. Now, why do we call PPC a transformation curve? It is called so because of the slope, which is marginal rate of transformation. And it is the rate of number of units of a good sacrificed to increase one more unit of the other good. So, if you have to answer this question for 4 marks, you have to give one schedule, which is with the help of two goods. We will take good 1 on one axis, and on the other axis we'll take another good, which is x or y. You can take on either axis. And with the help of that schedule, you have to draw the diagram and show how the sacrifice of one good is transformed or is converted in terms of more production of the other good. That is, what is the meaning of marginal rate of transformation? Because by sacrificing 1 unit of one commodity, we can gain in terms of production the other commodity or some of the units of the other commodity. That is why we call PPC as transformation curve also. Now, next question is, say for example, if an economy is producing inside PPF or PPC or transformation curve, it could possibly produce more of one good without giving up any of the other. If you have to comment on this statement, you have to show rotation on PPC. That is, existing PPC, one point of that PPC will remain as before or as it is, and will make a little movement or shift on the other side or on the other axis. And we have to mention a point inside PPC, that this point is actually underutilization of resources. Now, we all know that why resources are underutilized: when they are not used completely or to their fuller capacity, when they are not used judicially and properly, they remain underutilized. That means production is not up to the mark. So here we have to explain this point, that point A lies inside here. PT is PPF, reflecting all possibilities to produce two goods, X and Y, in an economy. Point A is showing the unemployment or underutilization of resources in an economy or of an economy. Now, there is a possibility for an economy to use better technology for one commodity. It could be on either axis. Here we have taken on X axis. So if we are improvising the technology that we are producing with, the units of good X are produced in greater quantity by use of better technology, then the point which was initially OT point will be shifted from OT to OT1, since more units are produced here and with no sacrifice on the other axis of good Y. This has to be explained with the help of this example or diagram, and you have to comment on this statement. That is how we answer.